Welcome to the Class 12 Half-Yearly Playbook. This strategic guide provides a clear blueprint for mastering economics, business studies, and accountancy, curated specifically to help you maximize your return on investment for your exam study time. The half-yearly exam offers a dual advantage. Beyond just an interim grade, a strong performance helps secure your internal project marks and establishes a critical psychological baseline for your final board exams. In economics, focus on the non-negotiables, the limitations of GDP, externalities, and the deflator. Pay close attention to core calculation methods like income and expenditure, and be wary of common red flags regarding what counts toward national income. Mastering the gap diagnostic is essential. Understand the differences between inflationary and deflationary gaps and their respective corrective levers, such as bank rates and open market operations. Ensure you are familiar with all investment multiplier formulas. For money and banking, prioritize central bank functions and the credit creation process. Always use the money multiplier formula 1 over LRR. Additionally, understand the core functions of government budgets, including redistribution and reallocation. Indian economic development covers key frameworks from the eve of independence to the LPG era. Remember the METHI acronym for human capital formation, migration, education, training, health, and information, and stay updated on current rural development measures. In business studies, management is defined by art, science, and profession. Understand the principles of management, particularly functional foremanship, and the piece wage rate system. Never underestimate the importance of coordination in your answers. Process memorization is key to success in business studies. Planning, staffing, and controlling each have strict sequences you must memorize. Watch out for exam traps in case studies that ask for missing steps in these processes. Master the battle of concepts matrix by understanding the distinctions between delegation and decentralization, functional and divisional structures, and formal versus informal organizations. Always include the basis of difference in your comparison answers. Directing involves understanding the hierarchy of needs, while the business environment can be decoded using the LESTEP framework: legal, economic, social, technological, ecological, and political. These are essential tools for analyzing case studies. Accountancy is best approached by understanding the full partnership lifecycle: birth, change, and death of a firm. These phases cover everything from fundamentals to dissolution, so aim to master the cycle rather than isolated chapters. When studying fundamentals and goodwill, focus on profit and loss appropriation, interest calculations, and past adjustments. For goodwill and profit-sharing ratios, prioritize journal entries over pure calculations, as modern exams increasingly favor them. For admission, retirement, and death, be prepared for comprehensive questions involving revaluation and capital accounts. Remember that death-related questions follow a specific workflow, starting with the calculation of the deceased partner's share of profit. Use the Journal Entry Master checklist to guide your practice. Whether it involves reconstitution or dissolution, mastering the specific journal entries for assets, liabilities, and goodwill adjustments will keep you ahead of the curve. Finally, adopt the ultimate meta strategy. Study by archetype. Use flowcharts and diagrams to enhance your presentation, and use last year's exam papers as your mirror for what to expect. Good luck with your preparation.